Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will walk you through the process of transferring your current phone number to Fizz. If you're switching to Fizz and want to keep your existing number, you're in the right place. Just follow these simple steps. Check if your number is eligible for transfer. Before starting the transfer process, make sure that your current number is eligible for transfer to Fizz. You should not cancel your existing service with your current provider until the transfer is complete. Make sure there are no outstanding balances with your current provider. Prepare your Fizz account. If you haven't already, sign up for a Fizz account by visiting the Fizz website, fizz.ca. Choose the plan that fits your needs and proceed to checkout. During this process, you will need to provide basic information like your name, address, and payment details. Begin the transfer process. Once your Fizz account is set up, navigate to the Activate section on the Fizz website. You will be asked to provide information about your current phone number and your previous carrier. Follow the prompts and select the option to transfer your current number to Fizz. Provide your account information from your current provider. You will be required to enter the details of your current phone account, such as your account number and PIN, if applicable. This is a critical step, so make sure you have the correct information from your current provider. If you're unsure about any details, you can contact your old provider's customer service for assistance. Confirm your transfer request. After entering your information, Fizz will ask you to confirm your transfer request. Double-check the details to ensure everything is accurate, including your phone number and the account information from your previous provider. Wait for the transfer to complete. Once you've confirmed the transfer, Fizz will begin the process. The transfer usually takes up to 2 hours, but it could take longer in some cases. During this time, your current provider will deactivate your old service, and you will start using your Fizz account. Test your new Fizz service. Once the transfer is complete, you should receive a confirmation email from Fizz. At this point, test your new Fizz service to ensure everything is working correctly. Make sure you can send and receive calls, texts, and use mobile data without any issues. That's it. You've successfully transferred your current phone number to Fizz. It's a straightforward process that can be done quickly and easily with just a few steps. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video if you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching.